In today's video, it's more like a combination of a little bit of writing and making some drone footage. So normally if I make my drone videos, I either go to random locations and just explore them. Sometimes I go into Google Maps and look for places that I think might be good. That's the case for today. I found a spot in Google Maps and have to see if that's like something I can work with. I also put in a new rear set on my bike. I didn't have the tools at home, so I had to go to a friend's garage. He had all the tools, but I totally forgot to bring my camera, so I don't really have footage or like a tutorial of that. I might do one in a bit, but so far I haven't done that. I haven't been to the place where I'm going today, so I don't even know if that's a good place or not, but I just wanted to get out of the house, go on a little ride. Sometimes it's nice to just like free up your head. September 8th, I will be on the track again. I'm very excited for that, and I hope to make sure to film everything this time. Ooh, that's pretty down here. So I think the place I picked is not too bad. I think I can get some nice footage here. Can park here. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. Alright, so I go back to the spot that I just saw. Okay, should be fine like that. Wow. Yeah, I think that's a good spot. The problem always is that DJI wants you to update everything. That'll take a while, and then we're ready to fly, and it's hot. Only problems today. So now it tells me that my SD card is full and there are bugs everywhere, so I have to land it and format the SD card. I don't know why this is so complicated today. There are bugs everywhere. Battery is almost empty, so I have to change the batteries now, and then I can hopefully finally fly the way I want. Let's see. I landed the drone now. There's so many bugs here. I'm changing the location. I'm going down to the pier, and hopefully we'll be able to make some nice drone shots and some nice pictures down there, because here it's not the ideal location, and for some reason everything is against me today, so we'll see. That's a bad idea. Really, no matter what I do today, nothing works. So I'm leaving, heading back home, and let's see how it turned out. Maybe I can stop for another picture of him with my bike. That looks like a good spot too. There's 2 deers. Oh, there's a bunch of deer. I'm not sure what's going on today. Just off day. I went out here to get like a free hat to relax, enjoy, make some nice footage. At the end, drone was a pain in the ass. The bugs were a pain in the ass. Then this dog didn't let me talk with his owner, so I wasn't able to do like. It was a perfect spot to take some nice pictures and make some drone shots, maybe without. So I'll give it one more shot. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hello, hi. I was wondering if I could go down and take some pictures of the bike down there. Okay, cool.
Be really careful. It's very gravelly.
Yeah, I saw that.
I know you probably already know all about it.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Have a nice day.
Thank you. So there's like this fisherman, so I won't fly my drone here. Just some pictures, and that should be it for the day. When you turn it off, when your heart goes missing, I will follow. When you turn it off, when your heart goes missing, I will follow. after all, I think we were successful at the end. Let's head back home.